Hello, and how are you doing? It's been an awesome day, and quickly we want to review the Tecno Camon 30. For those that are lovers of Techno phones, especially Camon model, you would agree that the last release was called the Tecno Camon 20, and that was in 2023. I'm a big fan of this model. So actually have the 19, Camon 19. They moved to Camon 20. I was expecting them to go to Camon 21, so I'm shocked to see them jump to Camon 30. As a matter of fact, I realized that this was released in April. It was released in April 02, yes. Because I've been on the lookout for it. I was expecting it in May, and I got it. I think on the 6th of April or thereabout. No, maybe 10th or thereabout. Yes, and I don't know why. For some reasons, I just kept it. Um, it was actually a gift. I bought it as a gift for someone, so not until we had time to open it. Um, it's a little bit in just few inches, maybe 0.01 inches bigger than the in size, total height and width, larger than the Camon 20. This is obviously to give more room for the screen. Yeah, because we use more phones than the laptops or other gadgets, so it's in a way making us more comfortable with the documents we view, the pictures we view, the videos we view on the mobile. So looking at the specification, it's an awesome device. It's sleek. In weight, it's I think it's less weightier than the Camon 20. Yes, so if you are considering this phone and you are bothered about the weight, it's not weighty at all. It's cool, and the size is also fine for me, especially for a male. The size is great. The size is great, and the battery life is outstanding. In fact, the charger head, as you will see in the video I will show shortly, uh, came elongated. I think that is to enhance fast charging, or let me rather put it as super fast charging. So I'm actually showing you this screen. You can go through the things that interest you most. I will not have to elongate the video by talking one after the other on all these specifications. But the camera is also awesome. I took a shot um, between Camon 20 and Camon 30, and in the same vicinity, and the Camon 30 actually beat the Camon 20. Yeah, that's great. And then the screen type, the display type, AMOLED, makes it stronger to withstand falls, accidental falls. So this is also great. It's also great. It has the latest Android 14 um, OS version. That's also wonderful. I like updating my phone, so getting a phone that has the latest Android version, so that the applications you want to use or you are using, you don't, because this is one of the reasons I transitioned to the Camon. I was using a phone that refused to update its OS. Yeah, not just to mention any of the manufacturer, but um, yeah. One thing that I will mention that is surprisingly not in this phone, stating to the very end, and it will be a shocker for most persons. So, once again, welcome aboard. Let's go straight into the video. If you're not subscribed, this is a good time to subscribe to the channel. We grow, we learn, and we share on this channel. And if you are already a subscriber, thank you for coming back again to watch one of our video. We'll love to get your comments. This is the very first time I'm making a review, unboxing and reviewing of any kind of device, especially a phone. So I would like to get your feedbacks and give a like, share, and then I'll see you. Okay,
As we
awesome. So beginning, we introduce how to I come on, and I even use it. Here we go with the brand new, I love it. It looks great. I love the blue color from the beginning. So we have the 256 gigabyte read-only memory, and we have it as a 16 gigabyte read random access memory. Um, the Camon 20 currently has 8 gig for the RAM, random access memory. So that's good. And then for the audio, here it says high resolution. I hope when we test it, we get good feedback. So behind is talking about the camera, is talking about the steady night portrait, fingerprint on the display. So I'm looking forward to a lot here. To a lot here. Of course, the ISP providers are at it again, trying to hook up with customers already using their their products to just give out gifts depending on which product you currently. So if it's any of them, please just seize the opportunity to do that. So in the unboxing proper, I I tried to open the box. Um, yeah, I tried to just tear it apart gradually. I couldn't just wait to see um, what they had in stock for we their fans. Yeah, really, as it were like this, I'm already expecting the next release. I hope they don't just call it Camon 40. At least they should call it. It should still be on the 30 series, maybe 31. And you'll see it was proving difficult to come out, and I was like, is it are these guys trying to fall my review, or is it a flaw on their part? And then I realized it was my flaw. Um, there is actually a sticker here that if this has been detached or cut already, it simply shows it's not authentic. Yeah, so there's a caution sign there that's preventing it from falling apart. So it just shows you that this is exactly brand new. So yeah, it just creates some form of authenticity and excitement. Yeah, I think it's a great one they are putting in place. So once I was able to take that off, I was able to the content of the phone because I already I was trying to unbox it. No, it was preventing me from. Okay, so the phone fell. Yeah, but then I wasn't really worried. I wasn't worried at all because I trust the AMOLED screen. So trying to unbox everything. This contain this pack contains my warranty information, and it also contained yeah 12-month warranty, 12 plus one as it were warranty. But then what could necessarily go wrong? In the Camon 90, Camon 20 that I have used, nah, screen did not break. There was no factory defect. So this is the wipe for the um for the what do you call this screen now? The protection screen. Yeah, the protective screen guard. I mean, and you will realize that for over a year, I've not had to buy screen guard for the new one already. The case, the pouch, it seemed firmer, more like break compared to the one I started the video with. Yeah, or rubber like, and this seemed to be more durable for me. I'm very confident of that rubber, but this I don't know. We have to see how it plays out. How it plays out. So yeah, you have to see how that plays out. So opening up the carton further, you can see the charger and you can see the cable, the adapter and the cable. Um, yeah, nothing really different, but it's a fast charging cable. In length, it should be about Maybe 1 meter to 1.5 meter. I think that's fair enough for the quality of charger that it is. Yeah, I must testify to the fact that for the Camon 20, the charger is impeccable, charges fast, less than 60 minutes. In fact, maybe 35 thereabout is completed. So this I'm hoping for way better. You see this adapter 45 watt. So I am sure this should take maybe 20-25 minutes to get a battery from 0 to 100. Yeah. So and surprisingly, that's all in the carton. That's completely all. If you notice, there is no earpiece. Okay, so looking at the phone details, the camera quality, 50 Mbps, uh, megapixel, and the phone. So when I was ordering this, there was only one color available. So pardon my choice of color. I'm sure there are other colors that will come out, or maybe already available in other markets. But where I purchased this from online, was just black available. So in a way, they also sealed this phone with the covering around it. So I had to take that off because I already understood how they are packaging it this time around. That's like four lenses. Yeah, it's beautiful. They also have this infrared, yeah, remote control. Yeah, it's part of the features. You can use the phone as a remote control for your smart devices. You know, we are going into the age of smart devices and Internet of Things. So it's not out of place to get gadgets like this that can help you simplify remote management. So checking on all sides, you have nothing really changed if you've ever seen the any other Camon version. So it's just the same basically. Yeah, we shouldn't expect anything more on the physical look of the phone. It should be more of software based. So I was trying to search for something unique, which is the headset or earpiece, as it were. Earpiece, that's correct. And I only found this ejection pin. I wanted to also check the SIM card slot, the pin slot, if anything has changed. But it's just the number three slots for the SD card and dual SIM. So I'm asking, why did they take out the earpiece? Are they trying to transition into like an iPhone sort of competitor? Um, okay, maybe you have answers. I don't have answers right now. And so booting the phone is sleek. No, really, it's sleek. It's my admirable. Um, I'm just one that I would have loved to get to, but I just want to get every common version that is released every year. So I only got one. So next year I should be getting another one. Um, yeah, one touch. You don't need to press too much. Very, very responsive and sensitive to touch. Um, just trying to boot up the phone and see how the screen responds. And yeah, I enjoyed every single bit of it. So in my own rating overall, apart from the the earpiece that is taken out, which I will still find out why. Most likely, they're trying to sell that separately, and also, um, what else again? Maybe the seal that they placed on it that made it seem like it was difficult to unpack. I'll give it a 9.5 over 10. Yes, I'm indeed a common Tecno Camon model fan and lover. So, because I was really looking forward to the earpiece, it's sincerely part of. You can see the web homepage. It's just it's just breathtaking. It's breathtaking. It's so lovely, so lovely. I love it, and I'm sure you would love it. So if you are still undecisive, you should get The new Tecno Camon 30. Here you go with the review. This how it looks like. This how it feels. You will definitely enjoy it, and the capacity is top notch. The speed is top notch. 16 gig RAM. That's cool, and the storage is 256. So you should you should not have any issues with space. Okay, okay. So here you go. So I was saying my overall rating is a 9.5 over 10. A 9.5 over 10. Yes. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. And if you've not subscribed, please remember to subscribe, leave a like, share, turn on your notification bell for others videos that will be dropped, and have a nice time enjoying this phone. Bye.